Hi everyone, welcome back to Gerber Academy where we talk about multimedia, learning the English language, and personal development. If you are new to here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out our latest videos. Today we are tackling a topic that affects us all, time management. Ever feel like you're constantly chasing your to-do list? Well, stick around because we are going to turn that around. Lost time never found again. Benjamin Franklin. Time management is the process of planning and controlling how much time to spend on specific activities. Good time management enables you to work smarter, not harder, ensuring that you get more done in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. It involves setting priorities, organizing tasks, and allocating time effectively to achieve your goals. Don't wait, the time will never be just right. Napoleon Hill. Timing is a really important part of being productive. If we do something at the wrong time, we can be doomed to failure simply because of bad timing. Timing is everything. But on the other hand, it's almost impossible to hit the perfect timing. The timing of your action needs to be just good enough. So make sure waiting for a perfect opportunity is not just an excuse for your procrastination. Time management might sound like a boring topic, but trust me, mastering it can change your life. We will cover some practical strategies to help you take control of your time and get more done. Ready? Let's dive in. In this video, we will divide into 5 different parts to understand time management. Part 1. Understanding time management. First off, let's talk about what time management really is. It is about making conscious decisions on how to spend your time. It's not just about getting more done, it's about getting the right things done efficiently and effectively. Think of time management like a recipe. You need the right ingredients, goals, priorities, and planning to create the perfect dish, a productive day. Part 2. Setting goals and priorities. Step 1 in mastering time management is setting goals. Without them, it's like setting out on a road trip without a map. Use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. For example, instead of saying, I want to get fit by, I want to run a 5K in 3 months. Once you've got your goals, prioritize them. The Eisenhower matrix is a great tool here. It helps you sort tasks into 4 categories. Urgent and important. Do this immediately. Important but not urgent. Schedule time for this. Urgent but not important. Delegate if possible. Not urgent and not important. Consider dropping this. Part 3. Planning and organization. Now that you've your goals and priorities, it's time to plan. Start by creating a daily or weekly schedule. Tools like Google Calendar or even a simple planner can help you. Break your tasks into smaller steps and allocate specific times to work on them. The Pomodoro technique is a great method to boost productivity. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a long break. This helps maintain focus and prevent burnout. Part 4. Avoiding procrastination. Procrastination is a huge roadblock in effective time management. To combat it, try the 2-minute rule. If a task will take less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Another tip is to identify and eliminate distractions. Create a workspace that's conducive to focus and use apps like Foxwheel or Freedom to help you stay on track. Part 4. Review and adjust. Lastly, review your progress regularly. At the end of each week, take a few minutes to reflect on what worked and what didn't. Adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, time management is a skill that takes practice. Be patient with yourself and keep tweaking your approach until you find what works best for you. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from better time management. Drop your favorite time management techniques in the comments below. I would love to hear what works for you. And if you haven't already, Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.